Hi everyone, Tom Moffett here. Welcome to BUS 140 Business Communications. I'll be your instructor for the course. In this course, we'll be studying some of the traditional methods of business communication, like letters and memos. We'll also get some practice using some of the newer tools like blogs and web conferencing. We'll work on a team project to get experience using skills that you'll use in your professional work. The overall goal is to identify and improve on business communication skills that are important for the 21st century work environment. This course is part of the Auto Access program at OTC. You have access to the digital content for the course through Canvas on the very first day of class, and that happens automatically. When you log in, the first thing you're going to see is the home page, which you see here. I encourage you to take some time to explore each of the menu items in the left column, the navigation column over here, especially if this is your first online class. Pay special attention to announcements, modules, and the discussion links. I make lots of announcements, so please check the announcements on a regular basis, at least 3 to 4 times each week. So let's take a look at the modules page for just a minute. On this page, at the very top is the course schedule. When you open the course schedule, you're going to see the assignments for the course that are separated by module. Module 1, 2, 3. And that goes all the way through the entire course. So here's the assignment. Here is the due dates for each of the assignments and the points that are associated with each of those assignments. For example, in Module 1, we begin with an introduction discussion. The initial post is due on August 24th, and then the replies to classmates are due on August 27th. The 1.3, establishing credibility, it's another discussion assignment due on August 27th. And at least 2 replies to classmates are required for each of the discussion assignments throughout the course. Next is the 1.4 fair test assignment, and that is also due on August 27th. Module 2 has 3 assignments, all due on September 3rd. There are several Connect assignments throughout the course, and I'll talk more about those in just a minute. But this is typically what the course schedule looks like. Please pay attention to the due dates. Because of the midterm and final exam due dates, the day of the week that assignments are due will vary. OTC policy requires at least 1 proctored event for each course. Our proctored event for this class is the 4.4 proctored quiz. You'll have a week to complete the proctored quiz. Now, if you're not familiar with proctoring requirements, please open this link in Modules, Proctoring Requirements, and review those requirements. To access Connect assignments and quizzes, just click on the link. If this is your first time to use Connect, you might be prompted to set up your account. Let's go down to Module 1, Module 2, click on the Connect assignment. If you are, please use your OTC account email to set up your account. Connect information is also available in the Connect folder further up here. There's a video in there about getting started and how to get in touch with Connect support. These videos will explain how to use Connect, and the Connect support information is especially important if you are having technical issues. If you have any questions about the course, please post to the Student Commons discussions. Go to discussions. At the very top is a section called Student Commons. In this forum, the Student Commons is located at the very top, and then when you have a question, you open the link, click on reply, and then enter your question here, and then you can click post. once you have your question entered. I can then reply to any questions that you might have, or your classmates can also see a response, see your questions, and they may be able to answer your question more quickly than I might. If you have questions of a personal nature, such as grades, please contact me via OTC email, and that's moffittc@otc.edu. Please use your OTC email address for any messages that you might send to me. The filters are set up so that OTC email is often the only message that gets through. Also, online office hours are available by request. Go back to the home page. You scroll down towards the bottom, BUS 140 online office hours. Click on that link at the bottom of the page, and then we can meet using Microsoft Teams. That's what that's for. And I should be there. We'll have to arrange in advance a date and time that we can meet. But just send me an email, let me know, and then we'll work out that schedule. Well, that's enough to get us started. I look forward to meeting all of you, and I will see you online.